Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10S, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card and SD card into this tablet. Now for this you will need a SIM ejector, which I have one right here. They come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. Additionally, if you can find it, you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from here, locate the tray, which looks to be on the top side of the tablet on the right side. So basically opposite to volume keys. You can see it right over here. So grab your pin, insert it in, push it in, and you will see that the tray comes out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray you have space for, looks like just a SD card and not a SIM. Oh no, never mind, it has also a SIM card on the other side. So we just need to flip it over. So you put it like this. There we go. And from here, you want to insert it back into the device. The cards should start working immediately once you insert them, so there we go, you can see that the SIM card is already working. So I'll quickly confirm my SIM pin. And SD card is working as well. You can see it based on this notification right here. So that is how you can insert SIM and SD card into this tablet, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.